If you're looking to build a serious career in IT, you've definitely heard the name Cisco. But, how do you actually get your foot in the door or maybe climb up to that next level? Well, today, we're going to break down the whole Cisco certification path, what the different credentials mean, why they're so valuable, and exactly how you can earn one. So let me ask you, are you ready to give your IT career a serious boost? Maybe you're looking for a more challenging role or a bigger salary, or just brand new opportunities in some cool specialized fields. A Cisco certification, well, it's designed to be a direct path to get you exactly that. And let's just cut right to the chase. Let's talk numbers. In the US, having a Cisco certification can mean a starting salary somewhere between $60,000 and $90,000 a year. So yeah, this isn't just another piece of paper, it's a direct investment in your earning potential right from day one.
Okay, so beyond a bigger paycheck, what doors does a Cisco certification actually open up for you? Let's get into the real professional advantages here. First off, passing a Cisco exam immediately puts you in the running for essential roles like network engineer or systems administrator. I mean, these are the people who design and manage the digital backbone that businesses totally rely on. But more than that, it signals to employers that you have proven technical skills, and that leads to better pay and more respect. From there, it's basically a launch pad. This certification can be your ticket to senior leadership roles or even super specialized fields like cybersecurity and cloud networking.
All right, so you see the value, but which certification is the right one for you? Cisco actually offers a few different paths, and each one is tailored to different skills and career goals. Let's take a look at the options. This table really lays it out nicely. So if you're pretty new to the field, the CCST, or Cisco Certified Support Technician, is your entry point. It's got tracks in IT support, networking, and cybersecurity. Now, for a deeper dive into network configuration and all things IP addressing, the classic CCNA, or Cisco Certified Network Associate, that's the industry standard. And for those of you who like to work with physical hardware, the CCT Data Center Cert focuses on repairing and replacing equipment in data centers.
So once you've picked your path, it's time to think about the exam itself. What's it actually going to feel like on test day? And what kind of questions are they going to throw at you?
Cisco exams are way more than just a simple Q&A. Sure, you'll see your standard multiple-choice questions, but you'll also get interactive drag-and-drop stuff and even hands-on labs, where you're performing real configuration tasks. The real challenge, though, often comes from what they call scenario-based questions. Yeah, these aren't about just memorizing theory. Scenario-based questions, which you'll see a lot in the CCST exams, basically drop you into a real-world problem like, say, a network outage or a security breach. And it's your job to use what you know to find the solution. This is how Cisco finds out if you can actually do the job.
And you've got to realize, different exams measure different skills. The CCNA, for instance, tends to focus more on theoretical knowledge, tested with multiple choice and drag and drop. In contrast, the CCT Data Center exam, that one is designed to test both your theory and your practical ability, combining those question types with really important hands-on labs.
And what about timing? Well, you can expect most exams to be about 90 minutes long, with somewhere between 40 and 60 questions. That means your pacing is just as important as your knowledge. You've got to be confident, and you've got to be efficient. Okay, you've picked your certification and you get the exam format. So what's next? Let's walk through the logistics of actually signing up for the test. This part is actually really straightforward. Everything is handled in one central place. You'll go to the official Cisco website to register, and the exams themselves are all administered by their official partner, Pearson VUE. The process itself is pretty simple. First, you'll either create or log into your account on the Cisco website. From there, you just pick the exact exam you're going for. Then the site connects you over to Pearson VUE so you can schedule a date and time at a testing center near you. Once that's all booked, you'll get an official confirmation, and bam, you're all set. All right, now we get to what I think is the most important part, smart preparation. I mean, knowing the material is one thing, but being ready for the pressure and the unique format of the exam, that's a whole other ballgame. So, with all these different paths, these complex questions, and those strict time limits, what's really the most effective way to prepare so you can pass? One of the absolute best strategies is to use tools that are specifically designed to simulate the real exam experience. For example, resources like the ones from certificationexam.com are built to tackle the exact challenges of the Cisco exams. And the key to these tools is simulation. By recreating the actual exam format, you get familiar with all the question types, the interface, and the pressure of that ticking clock. This way, there are absolutely no surprises on test day.
And this kind of approach usually gives you two really powerful options. First, an online web simulator acts as your training ground, building your confidence by giving you a super realistic exam experience. And then, a mobile app can turn any downtime into study time, letting you practice anywhere while it tracks your progress and points out your weak spots.
Ultimately, this is how you bridge that gap between just, studying concepts and truly mastering the exam environment itself. Practicing under that pressure is what really prepares you to succeed when it actually counts.
So we've covered the why, the what, and the how of earning a Cisco certification. The only question left is the one that really matters for your future. Whether it's the CCST, the CCNA, or the CCT, which path are you going to choose to launch the next stage of your IT career?